What it do, chat? What it do? Mine says waiting for the host to start the game. I might have to. It's probably doing one of them weird things where I might have to back out and then just join up on your lobby. Spook Town. Joining game server. I don't know why it does that. It's rare, but it'd be on that type of time. And it's the soul of Rada Rada, you know? Be like that. It popped up. Probably. Bro, there's no way you ran that far. Yo, did you like fast travel? Oh, I see the orange now. Well, you found it now. I don't know. Is this all bunker? Maintenance A. Didn't we get that in that tunnel? Be, yeah, be very oh, if it's giving me pistol ammo right off the rip, let me bust it out. Yep. It's real dark up in here. Alright, SWAT time. Ready? Go in. Get busted. Hey, baby! There's a baby in here. Why won't the music stop? That's where we just was. Oh no, I see it right there. I'm about to pick it up. Went ahead and get that laser sight on it. Dude, this gun is dead. He said it didn't, man. Did you? Hold on, where'd you get it at? I see it. Let me put this book down. Yo, you see my laser? You'll see it in a second. Why does it keep pulling this book out? Okay, put the book away and pull out the strap. I found another pistol rail. Yeah, well, you get to hold it in your hand for the next 20 minutes. Saving up. Saving up. Alright, let's save up on the bed. I would assume that it's for the place that we left from. Remember, that was a food area. Oh, you just kept on going, Danger Man. Solar panels, printer resin. I can't carry any more light bulbs, but I can. You think there's another key card there? No, you go ahead and get him right. You're good at running, buddy, since you're so fast and can fast travel. I'm out. No. I know I came across some water spookies. Oh yeah, this is the way I came. Cause I almost there was a couple walking giant spooks over here. So did I, but I see there's that walking guy again. What did I hit? There's nothing there. There's nothing. Bro, I'm in some water right here. Come here, dear. I see it. I see it right up here. Nah, man, you want it out? Get out. I'll see you down there, buddy. Get off me! My food bunker! Who needs to go down the ladder? Jump down. Now you gotta crawl down. That's it, ain't it? Yep. Yes, sir.
Regard the fire alarm. There is a broken sprinkler in the storage room. There is no panic.
Crossbow? Yes. And we got arrows. Yep, that's my new. Oh, oh, oh! Reload it. I hit him with it.
Please disregard the fire alarm. There is
I
a
finished
broken
him.
sprinkler in the
Crossbow.
storage room. There is no panic.
Give me my arrows back. I want the spooky armor. Putting that on immediately. Crossbow, really overpowered. Love it. Yeah, I want all of them. This is my new weapon. Alright, hold on. I'm pulling out the pistol. Yeah, I'm pulling out the pistol. It goes down even further. I hope you got your rebreather on. dead guy. Let's hope your key card works with him. Well, no, that's it. I don't know if I ever picked that key card up. So many years my word. Oh, he left.
Attention guests, please disregard the fire alarm. There is a broken sprinkler in the storage room. There is no more panic. 请注意，不要理会火警报警器，储藏室的洒水器出现故障，请恐慌。
Dance party? Dude, what? Well, I gotta find out what laptop you found. Oh, right here.
We'll celebrate the next spaceship in the dining room tonight at 9 p.m.
Presidential bunkers right off, kind of to the water, north. Look, bro, we've been there. It says, Hank, this is where the boats arrived. They've left them abandoned there. Someone needs to clean this up. Those are those two boats, bro.
There is no need to panic.
They're turning. Nice. Time to go hit this other bunker. I found the room that they turned everybody into spookies. I don't know if that's a human in front of me. Putting a laser on the pistol, worst thing I ever did.
My fault. I just played, how long we've been going? 18 minutes without my mic being on. I apologize. I said, well, back to you, Gabby. I appreciate you leaving a follow, and hope you're enjoying the content. But they're everywhere. What's going on over there? Oh!
Mr. Puffin.
Oh! Found the Puffin family.
Yeah, I don't have no weapon in my hand anymore. Bro, get him. Bye, to the water.
All my years with Call of Duty is paying off. My day's going well. How about yourself?
What's up, Pumpkin family? Back off me.
Oh! Get off my boy. Get off my boy. Get off my boy. What do we get from carving these people up?
But I need some Pumpkin family. 2 creepy armors from them. Where'd you kill the first one at?
Right here.
Hold up, don't cut me yet.
Oh, I just started. Hurry up, hurry up.
I'm here. Hey, do we even want to jump in that water though, fam?
Man, heck no.
Hey, there's another spooky armor. Oh! Man, you double tapped that boy.
Hey, I was taught right.
I know it wants us to jump in that water.
Barbara Puffin. Edward Puffin. What in the... Bro, look at this thing.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a spooky snake. That's spooky snake nephews. The music's coming from the tree. Well, you know what's next.
Hey, where'd that dude run off to?
I think the water. He had a rebreather, remember?
I think he came from the water.
There's only one way to find out. Spooky! Oh, you can't see nothing out here.
My day's going fine. How about yourself?
How are you swimming faster?
Because I'm fast, boy.
Spooky. Hold on. Stop.
I'm lethal with these shells, boy.
Alright, hold on, because I got to eat and drink. I'm coming.
I wish I would have seen where that dude ran off to.
Yeah, well, we were too worried about the Puffton family trying to yerk us. But the only logical explanation is boy ran out this way. Hey, yo, Kevin, where you at, bro? I need you to make up a tent because you're real quick with it. He's right here. Go ahead and sleep through the night.
Over to main.
Hey, you looking spifty, Kev, man. He's building shelter right now. Your buddy got up out that cave quick, didn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, we got the base over here, bro, if you're trying to come sleep in it, Brody. I'm saving up, too. Is that a spooky? That's a spooky that just pulled up on us. So we unlocked the residential bunker.
Yo, you spooky armor down, son.
All the way. So we need to go this way.
No, we should
It
go.
was as high.
Okay,
That map I read.
that's cool, bro. Listen to me. Let's go explore the snow, cause we ain't been there yet. Hold on.
If I was out in an open area, bro, I can't see the mountains, so I'm not really.
I'm
You would
popping
think
my
it'd be to the north.
chat back up.
Yeah, no, I gotta figure out how you did that.
I did what?
You pull it all the way up.
Um, I need an open area so I can look for snow.
That's what I was saying, bro.
Well, here's an open area.
This ain't open enough. Hear me out. We could take all these trees out.
Oh,
bro,
hey.
in the next...
No.
Ah, we were on the right track. It's this way, actually. How am I already... Oh, that's why I'm out of stamina. Let me go ahead and... Grab one of these. And I haven't even ate none of these yet. Yo, why he act like you right there, bruh? The man was eating the dry noodles with the seasoning.
I don't eat dry noodles with seasoning. That's the only way I don't eat them.
I just figured you'd be the type.
Heck no.
Oh! Don't run from the fade. You're coming down, bud. Yeah, you jumped down. Nice. We call him Book with a Spook.
He thought he was gonna pull up on gang with no consequences, huh? Crazy business.
I'm gonna take the reactors. The snow. What is pulling up on me? Oh, squirrel. Yeah, I'm gonna have to ask that you never do that again, squirrel. You went a whole different direction, him. Hey, I got another one of those things up here, bro, an M.
An M?
Yeah. And a spooky camp off to my right. Yeah, I'm gonna see what that's about. Hey, yo, disregard that, fam.
What is it?
That's where you, you found that first, bunker on the outside. We already been down in there.
This dude.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna continue going up, though, because that appears the mountains. Because didn't we crash in the snow?
Yeah.
Look at this dude.
Hey, if you're new to the stream, thanks for tapping in, man. I hope you enjoy the content.
Oh, shovel needed right here. Let me pull it out.
Hey, it's the 3 graves. Hey, you always said we were gonna eventually come back to this.
I told you, yeah.
didn't have nothing.
Yeah, me too. It was just rope. But I did say we would come back to this.
What about this one?
Take your chances, Broheim.
Ah,
Snowy demon
yeah.
monsters? Here I come. To my left. Oh, that's a paraglider.
I need that. I don't have
Do
one.
you? Do I not have one? No, I don't.
Gimme, gimme. You
Yeah,
don't know
it's right here
nothing
on the
about
ground.
that icky vicky gang. I mean, might as well save while I'm right here.
Can't carry any more C4 bricks. Yeah, we pick up lots of flares for never using them. Ever.
You never know when we need to become one of the dudes that hold the red flares for no reason.
You right. And then die as soon as someone else finds you.
Yep. You
You
just
right, you
never
right.
know.
Going to Skyrim to the very top of this hill. Wish you the best of luck down there, Bookieheimer.
I'm coming with you.
I'm Skyrim climbing, bro.
Hey, if you're new to the stream, man, appreciate you tapping in. Let me know if you enjoy the content. So far right now I'm recording for playthroughs is obviously this right here, and then Oblivion Remastered. I'll be doing Oblivion later today if you want to come tap into that. But as for that, we don't know what we're going to be running after this. Have fun down there, spooky man.
Where'd you go?
Above you.
You demon!
I cannot be tamed.
How you're even running right now makes no sense to me because I can't run.
Yeah, well, goodbye. We have reached the pinnacle. Oh my.
Dude, you flew!
Do not go that way. It is not safe. Oh no. Before I move again, I must heal. But if you don't move, you start sliding down. I see a tree, so maybe I can go this way.
I can get my stamina right here.
Oh,
Oh, please don't
grass.
throw me backwards.
Well, you have fun in your struggles.
I'm flying!
Goodbye!
I don't know how you got there, and I won't ask no questions.
What was that?
I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh, I'm hurt bad. I'm hurt very bad.
Oh, lightning.
How did you make it to the tree?
Just gotta go for it, my man. Just gotta go for it. This lightning is striking like dead in front of me. I'm gonna go stand under it.
I'm almost to the grass.
Bro, it's striking a grave. Surrounded by something.
I don't know, bro. I gotta pop it here, bro. Let me get my stamina back because I'm not allowed into the grassy plains of Richmond. Do you see how far back I am from you?
Very.
Yeah, I'm not allowed up here.
I'm already going down the other side of the mountain.
What was it striking for?
I don't know, bro, but it's striking a grave.
Are you still seeing it?
I mean, I'm hearing it. I've already left that grave. I told you I'm going down the other side of the mountain.
You didn't even try to dig that. I heard the lightning. Did you try to dig the grave?
No.
That probably would have been smart. What if the thunder gun's in there?
Yeah, or the Wonder Wolf.
Yeah.
I don't know, but I'm pulling out the glider. Make sure I don't get screwed this time.
I hear the
Yeet.
lightning. I'm just not seeing it yet. Oh, I see it right here.
I'm blind, chat.
You're good. I'm pulling out the shovel.
Chat, I'm flying. I'm on the other side of the mountain now. By a big old ocean. What happens if I pause? Oh, I just stay like that? Nice.
Oh, so nothing that concerns me.
I don't know, but there's a cave right here. Ah!
Yeah, you're in that one alone, bud. I don't know how far you glided.
I'm just gliding. We're just chilling. Wait, there's a helicopter. I'm gonna fly with it.
Where's the glider even located?
I'm following the helicopter. Wait, it stopped. Come back, there's no way you don't see me.
There's so much of the snow mountain, dude, that we just haven't even explored. Flying over it really shows me that.
But I landed in the water and I can't grab my hang glider.
Sounds like a spook problem.
I swam under it and I'm pushing it to shore.
Yay.
I still can't grab it.
I see you over there by that cave. What do you think you're doing? You think you're spooky? Haha! Look at this guy, chat. Look at this dude. Look at that dude. Maybe one day he'll join us in this cave.
Yay! My hang glider.
Hey, just by seeing this cave already, I guarantee you I know what we're seeing automatically when we go in.
What?
The shark in the water.
You think?
Yes.
It's a good thing that you don't know nothing.
Hey, boy, can you hear me out?
Lane 4.
My pistol out? When spookies get close, I will blow you down and I will not think twice about it. Oh, it's one of these again. Oh, we gotta blow that up. I got C4. Or I'm gonna try. What do I gotta combine the C4 with?
Electronics, probably. What am I hearing?
I see it. No, I see it.
Oh.
C4. T4. A watch. Just watch my back.
Alright.
One of those. Where does our coins go? Like the coins we keep in us. Oh, right here.
Oh, there's an underwater spot.
Need 5 of them? And then an electronic part. Where is our... Right there.
There's a lot of bodies in this water. Oh! That scared me. Oh, an air
And guess
tank.
what?
What?
It did nothing.
Yeah, I knew it was gonna do nothing. Man.
Yo, why is there so many spookies and you just ran past them?
Because I stayed to the right side. I didn't go that way.
Ah, you wanted no part of the spooky madness, huh?
I just wanted to explore this side first. There are so many spooky, man.
Well,
I can't even carry spooky armor anymore.
Well, chat, we're real low on the oxygen.
Nah, as soon as you pop through this oxygen tank.
Yay! Grenades! Oxygen tank. 1 oxygen tank.
What is this? I got the rifle.
Did you?
Yep. And it comes with a red dot on that John.
Buddy over here, bro. They get him in. Where's it even at?
Right here.
Oh, I see it. Crazy that the spookies didn't even take it off of him.
They didn't even know. I think that's the end to
Oh,
this side.
sounds like a spooky problem and not our problem.
Alright. Time to go explore the spooky side.
Wait for me.
Yeet! Wait, what's this? I've already ran through this side.
No. No, because there's babies everywhere you run past them.
Hold on, bro. Stay right here.
Hey, what? Bro, we're standing on top of a bunker. We are standing on top of the bunker, man.
It is time.
What have you found here?
Come here, bro. Come back.
What is this?
It's a place to save your game real fast. Did you save up?
Yeah.
All right, chat. That's a 50-minute episode right there for you. Well, you already know. I'll be back on. Gotta get this done. You have a good one.